Attention, ladies and gentlemen. Today in this video I'll be talking about how I protect my account while trading news. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. So what I do during news is simple. Naturally I don't trade news, but anytime news is coming up, I identify the buyers for the day, whatever is the current buyers in the market, and then after that I'm going to highlight a possible zone where price is going to reverse to before it goes in the opposite direction. I'm talking about accumulation, then manipulation to the downside, then probably distribute to the upside, or it's going to accumulate, manipulate to the upside, then distribute to the downside. So I don't just trade news like jumping into the news, trying to just gamble whether I say buy or sell. I don't even trade news. But if at all I am to trade news, I just simply highlight the zone. You can see what happened with CPI some days back, right? Price was already obviously bullish from the previous Asian session. So after London, then came in New York session when it was time for CPI. Price just manipulated to a 15-minute OB, and from that other block, he now bought. But before he did that, he gave a 15-minute order block right there where it was about the news time. So people's prediction is going to just be like, oh, price is just going to go up. Naturally, which happens sometimes. But what price did that day was that it had to pull back down first before it went. So the thing is, news is not predictable, but you can predict what you, the trader, is doing on the chart. So me personally, I don't trade news, but if at all the setup happens before the news, like one of my setups come out before the news, I simply enter the setup, and then as it's in profit, I just put my break even. Because there are times when before news happen, let's say like 15 minutes before the news, price will give another block and then trigger it, and it's already moving, right? Then the news will just skyrocket it. So that's just how I trade news. And then normally I don't even trade news, so I'm not even interested in entering during the news. I'm only interested in what the news data is giving. Is it giving us a bullish continuation for gold? Is it giving us a bearish, is it whatever it is? The essence of news is just to know the direction. What gives you the true mastery of the chart is your technical analysis. So that's all I just want to talk about this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you.